Alright, so I got it in. Now we gotta torque this bolt right here to 60 foot-pounds. Made notes. So all you have to do if you got a companion hitch like this to put one in is, I got a B&W fifth wheel or gooseneck. You just pull this pin here, and if you slide it to one side, it'll hold there. So I pushed it back in, it's tight. So now we got to torque that bolt down. Alright, mine's a 3/4 inch, the bolt size is. So we gotta torque it to 60 foot-pounds. So you torque wrench out, wind her up to 60. And she got a digital one. There we go. We're on 60. So this bolt will go forever. And what this is doing is it's sucking this fifth wheel plate, I believe, don't hold me to this, but I believe it sucks the fifth wheel plate down by pulling pressure on the pin. It's kind of got like a clamping system in there. So, bring this thing down, it goes forever. Alright, just like that. Torque down, and then you take this little doodad here. Well, it's supposed to sit down in there. Let's see if we can get a few more turns. It's a little bit of a turn out of that. There. Like that. And that's how you do that. Alright, so next we'll put this top piece on here. There. It just sets down like that. And you take your pins, wants to come out, which it's not wanting to. Wow. And you slide it through, like so. Just like that. And like that. And that's how you put a B&W companion in for a gooseneck ball. So now, this is your jaws, and you have your lock for it. So we're gonna leave those open.